File this under so you think your job's tough. Former Vol Ovince St. Preux went to Brazil earlier this month for his UFC bout, and he won it. Not just won it, actually, he won it in 34 seconds. Even more impressive, it was done in such a hostile environment.
The thing about playing here in the States, you can hear everything they're saying, and you're like, man, I can't believe they just said that to me. But, going to another country, I'm getting cursed out. But at the same time, I don't know what you're saying. So for all I can tell you, you're cheering for me.
The win over Shogun Rua moves him up to 9th in the UFC standings. We're back after this. Some news for former Vol Ovince St. Preux, 10 years removed from his time on the Tennessee defense, still making waves in the UFC. St. Preux was just in Brazil, where he defeated former light heavyweight champ and Brazil native Shogun Rua in just 34 seconds. St. Preux's time playing in the SEC, he says, helped prepare him for performing in front of a hostile crowd.
I played D1 football. You got 110,000 people screaming in your ear, or if you go into an opposing team home, people, you right behind the fans, they cursing you out and everything. So just going in there, just kind of relax, and Saturday night came about, still relax, touch gloves, and after that, put in work. 34 seconds later, I have my hand raised. So
OSP moves up to 9th in the light heavyweight division in UFC. He's currently training and dieting for his next big bout with the turkey on Thanksgiving.